Alright, properties of exponents. We've got one when you multiply, where you just multiply the regular old numbers like -3 and 2 together. That makes -6. But when you multiply your variables, the exponents are going to add. So if you have 1x here and 3 there, then you have 4 of them. If you have 2y's there and 1 there, then you have 3 of them. When you give out an exponent, like it sits on the outside here, you can give it throughout, almost like a little distribution. Make sure you still say -3 times -3, that's -3 squared, so that's a +9. But then our exponents are going to multiply. So x to the 5th times 2 will be x to the 10th, and then y squared will get that exponent right there. So that was 2 times 5 to get inside. When you're dividing, go ahead and divide your normal number. So we're going to simplify that fraction. A negative over a negative is going to be a positive, and 5 over 10 is really 1/2. Now if I have 3x's in the denominator and 6 on top, we're going to cancel out the smaller one by subtracting. So I have x to the 3rd left on top. I have 1y on the top of this one, so I'm going to move it down to the bottom by subtracting. So I have y to the 4th. So it's just about canceling out there. Now this next one always gets people, so just remember that when you have a negative exponent, it's just on the wrong side of the fraction bar. So let's make a fraction real quick, 2 over 1, and our a to the -2 needs to move to the denominator. So we're going to write 2 over a squared. When it moves, it becomes positive. So our next one, let's see what's going on. I've got an a to the -1 in the wrong spot, an x to the -1 in the wrong spot, and a y to the -5 in the wrong spot. So we've already got 2 x's on top. It's going to be joined by one more, so we have x to the 3rd. I have 5 y's that need to move to the denominator, and all done. Don't forget, anything to the 0th power is 1, not 0.